Ask not what your country can do for you.
But Opera Toby's czarning and you're still ignoring it. Pick it up.
This is a national level call. Citizens respond, legends answer.
Don't embarrass your country, answer.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
And maybe
The consequences of ignoring this call again.
Pick up.
This nation believes in you. Be strong, answer.
Courage begins now. Yes, we can, but will we? Answer the phone, we believe in you. Hope starts with picking up. Yes, we can, right now.
77 years ago, history was written.
But your phone has been ringing for 12 seconds. Answer it.
Greatness is a decision.
This is the moment.
My fellow citizens!
Hear this! Hear this! This call will not answer it, so show some dignity!
Your country is literally calling.
Answer proudly. I did not ignore this call, but you might.
Stop, fix it, answer.
Redemption is possible.
Start now.
Trust, but verify. And also, verify this call by answering it. Respect restored. A legend answers.
There's an old saying,
Fooled once.
don't let the phone fool you twice, answer.
Mission accomplished.
For real this time.
Come on, man, just answer. The phone, do it now. Easy win. Stay awake. We're gonna make answering phones great again. You know it? So pick up huge call, massive importance. Only winners answer. Be a winner's answer. Be a winner.
Ask for peace, not conflict.
However,
Ignoring the phone frequently. Peace starts with picking up.
Dad.
Change begins today.
Right now.
So start with answering this call.
History is watching.
Don't choke.
Don't choke.
A house divided cannot stand, and a phone ignored cannot be respected, answer. Unity starts here. Pick up. Freedom is not free, and neither are missed calls. Pick up before it costs you. Honor demands it. Respect the ring. Let freedom ring, and also let you answer the damn phone.
Freedom picking up.
Do your duty. We shall overcome.
Eventually,
But first answer this call.
progress begins at the ringtone.
Rise up.
My fellow Americans,
This is urgent.
the phone is ringing. Respond.
Democracy demands participation.
Participate. History remembers the bold, so be bold. Enter the call, write your legacy now. Leadership requires action, no excuses.
Pick up a lead by example.
Champions answer.
Show 'em.
Show 'em. The future starts today, this exact moment. Answer the phone and begin. Legend mode activated. Go.